What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to block spam messages on your iPhone. So in order to do that, you need to go to settings, and then if you scroll all the way down to where it says filter unknown senders, so you're gonna make sure that you turn on this settings. So toggle switch, just make sure it's green. Now let's go back to iMessage app. Now if you see at the top left corner it says filters. So if you click on filters, here you can see three categories. Number one is all messages, number two is known senders and unknown senders. Now if you want to view the messages from unknown senders or the spam messages, you can go the third option with the the bottom one, it says unknown sender. And if you want to see all messages, then you can go the first option, known sender is the second option. Now you see these categories only when you turn that option on. If you don't turn it on, you're not going to see filters on the top left corner, as you can see, top left corner of the screen. Now let's go back to settings. I'm gonna turn that option off. So go to messages and filter unknown senders. Now if I turn this option off, as I did right now, and I'll go back to the message app, and as you can see the top left corner, the option of filter is gone. Now it's showing edit. So let's go back there and go to messages, which is right here, and this time we're gonna turn that option on, filter unknown senders. Okay, now let's go back to iMessage, and you see the top left corner filters. Then when you go there, you see all three options. So that's how you block spam messages. If you like the video, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.